A top story. Well, testing times for at least 1,500 people from Rajasthan, mainly from Udaipur, Banswara and Dungarpur districts, they have been detained in Kuwait for allegedly violating visa rules and work conditions. Now, according to reports, these Indians went to Kuwait on a Qadim visa, one that allows you to work only as a domestic help. But according to police in Kuwait, these Indians had allegedly begun working in corporate houses and industries. That amounts to violation of visa norms. The families of these 1,500 people are now pleading for help, while Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has written a letter to the central government in this regard. We haven't yet heard from the MEA. So the exact number of Indians taken into custody is not clear yet. The officials at the Indian Embassy in Kuwait say that they have accepted around 300 applications from relatives of those who've been arrested, and the officials are going to visit police stations now to look into the matter. The fate of these Indians now hangs in balance, since such arrests are generally followed by deportation with a ban on entry to the country. While there is no comment from the Kuwaiti embassy yet, a statement made by Kuwait's Interior Ministry said that strict legal action would be taken against those who violated such norms.
घटना घटी है। अभी हमने कुवैत भेजे, उनको कर्जा करके 6 महीने और अभी 3-4 दिन से सुनने में आ रहा है कि उनको पुलिस ने बंद कर दिए। अब गरीब स्थिति है हमारी, अब हम क्या करें?
उनके कोई फोन या कोई सूचना आई है आपके पास? नहीं,
उनका फोन तो बंद कर रखा है, स्विच ऑफ आ रहा है।
आपको कब पता चला कि वो जेल में है?
हमारे रिश्तेदारों ने वहाँ से फोन करा और बताया कि आपके हस्बैंड को बंद कर दिया जेल में। अब हम यहाँ से बहुत वो कर रहे हैं, मगर कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा।
पापा जल्दी से छूट जा, सरकार कुछ भी करके हमारे पापा को छुड़ा दे। हम बहुत परेशान हो रहे हैं, बहुत टेंशन में। मेरे पापा कैसे रह रहे होंगे?
Let's get the latest now from Devankur Vidhavan, who joins us from Jaipur. Dev, these people have been detained for alleged visa rule violations. What sort of assistance have their families been demanding from the government? Some sort of legal assistance as they now face deportation from Kuwait.
Families of these people who Udaipur district of Rajasthan have been trying to get in touch with the state government. Ashok Gehlot, on his part, has taken up the matter with the External Affairs Ministry, who has got in touch with the Indian consulate in Kuwait. And efforts are being made right now so as to ensure that the people who are still stuck in Kuwait can be deported back as soon as possible. But then those people are still in a hapless condition. From the reports that we have been getting from their family members, we have been told that these people have been handcuffed, that their mobile phones have been taken away from them, and they have been kept in an inhuman condition in detention, and none of the family members have been able to get in touch with them. So right now all they can do is to pin their hopes with the state and the central government so as to try and ensure that their family, their dear loved ones can return to India as soon as possible.